Let's turn our attention to the latest we're tracking on NDTV. Well, this time, it's not just murmurs, but slogans in the open. As DK Shivkumar arrives in Belagavi, supporters greeted him with calls for him to be made the next Chief Minister of the state. This comes amid loud assertions from Chief Minister Siddaramaya's son Yathindra dismissing any possibility of leadership change. But just listen in to the sloganeering that took place and how DK Shivkumar reacted to this.
ಯಾವ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಯಾವ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಕುರ್ಚಿ
Deepak Bopanna has been tracking all the latest developments for us. He joins us live at the moment. Deepak, how significant is this sloganeering considering Mr. Siddaramaya's son's latest remarks on no leadership change? Right, we seem to be struggling with Deepak's audio line just for a quick moment. I briefly apologize for that. Currently, this time, as you have just been able to hear, the slogans are out in the open. As DK Shivkumar arrives in Belagavi, supporters greeted him with calls for him to be made the next Chief Minister of the state. Why is this notable at the moment? Well, this comes amid loud assertions from Mr. Siddaramaya's son Yathindra, who has dismissed any possibility of a leadership change currently. Deepak Bopanna will just be joining us in a few moments to take us through the latest developments as far as Battleground Karnataka is concerned. Meanwhile, you must note that the Karnataka BJP chief V.Y. Vijayendra had also sharpened his political attack and blamed the Congress infighting for the government's inaction separately. I'm told Deepak Bopanna is now with us. Deepak, beginning with the sloganeering we have just heard, how significant is it considering Yathindra's latest remarks of no leadership change as far as Karnataka is concerned?
Well, the entire aim of the Congress High Command was to ensure that the assembly session that started yesterday here in Belagavi goes on smoothly without the conversation around leadership change. But it seems like, legislators and, the other party leaders do not want to let this aspect go. On one hand, you have the assertion coming in from the Siddaramaya camp, starting from his son itself, who says that it seems like the High Command does not want to make a change and he's going to continue for the next 5 years. Then you have rebuttals that, of course, came in from those supporting DK Shivkumar, and now you're looking at an after effect of sorts as DK Shivkumar arrived in Belagavi this morning. A huge number of supporters, of course, gathering at the airport there, starting to shout slogans that in his favor. Not just that, they've also shouted slogans that he's going to be the next Chief Minister. So clearly the race is not over. We've, of course, seen Mallikarjun Kharge, who's the AICC president, along with Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, and even KC Venugopal, who held a meeting in Delhi a few days ago and confirmed that they did discuss Karnataka, but really couldn't reach a consensus. So it remains to be seen how things play out, even as the BJP wants to up the ante by holding a massive protest where they allege that administration has collapsed in the state of Karnataka, and it's only the race for the Chief Minister's chair that is gaining prominence. The Congress, of course, will have to really bear with all the charges that are being made by the opposition, while also containing the fire that's growing inside their own party.
Right, Deepak, we'll of course revert to you for regular updates. Thanks so much. Well, tensions simmer in Karnataka's ruling Congress as Chief Minister Siddaramaya's son, Yathindra Siddaramaya, had firmly declared no leadership change. With the sloganeering we've just heard, We are wondering whether there's more to it than meets the eye. But Yatindra has said that the High Command has not reached a decision yet and have put the discussions currently on hold. So as of now, he says there's no change in the leadership expected. Meanwhile, Karnataka Minister H.K. Patil and Satish Jarkiholi echoed the High Command will take the final decision. H.K. Patil also said the party chief issued a clear directive that there should be no discussion on the leadership matter.
See, they have already they have held a meeting, but they have said they have not taken any decision, that they have just postponed the discussion. That's what they have said. So as of now, there is no talk of changing the leadership in Karnataka. As of now, there is no question of changing the leadership.
ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕತ್ವದ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ, ಸಂಪುಟದ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾಯಕರು ಮಾತನಾಡಕೂಡದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡಿ
ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮುಗಿದೋದ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ. ಯಾರೇ ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರು ಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗದು ಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಅದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು. ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋರು ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಮಾತು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾತು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅಂತಿಮ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ.
4-5 ಜನ ಶಾಸಕರು ಜನವರಿ ನಂತರ ಸಿಎಂ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗದಂತ ಮತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ರು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಅದು ಈಗ ಅದರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ.